Create lesson plan in just a minute.
Just take a look how fast AI can make lesson plan in just a blink of our eye. Struggling with lesson plans due to a lot of paperwork, plus sudden meeting, coordinatorship report, school reports, and many more. Don't worry, teacher, I'm here to help you to make your work. Maybe listen to my own little way.
Create lesson plan in just a minute.
Just take a look how fast AI can make lesson plan in just a blink of our eye.
First, open ChatGPT on your browser. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's free and easy to set up. Click Try ChatGPT. Now, type in a clear prompt. Here's an example.
Just wait a second and the ChatGPT will do the work for you.
Now the AI analyzing your prompt.
And boom! Just like that, you have now a ready-made lesson plan. You can even specify your prompt, like including the most essential learning competency, and you can chunk your 1-week topic into daily. You just type your command and AI will do the rest.
Click the copy icon and paste to your Microsoft Word. Now I will teach you a more detailed on how we can make our lesson plan according to our own pace.
Just follow this tutorial and it will help you to make your DLP easier and faster. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Don't forget to share this to your friend and comment down below what tutorial you want to make me a video. Want to tweak it? You can ask ChatGPT to modify the objectives, activities, or assessment methods to fit your teaching style. You can even use your modules to be more specific and detailed that aligns to your most essential learning competency. Just copy your lesson or your most essential learning competency and paste ID to ChatGPT, and ID will make you a lesson plan that aligns to your MELC. All you need to do is to wait the ChatGPT to analyze your prompt in just a seconds.
I also encourage you to visit my channel to more easy tutorial that helps teachers in their chosen field. On my channel I will teach you how to make PowerPoint slide in just 1 minute. Better check it out. Just continue watching until the end of this video, and please consider subscribing for more AI tips and how to make work easier and faster than before.